Okay, so what I have here, um, this week is a little bit different just because we had no class yesterday, and then next week ends the quarter. So I want to take you to a little look at the calendar here so everybody knows kind of where we stand with how the semester is, or the quarter is ending, so you can plan out your time accordingly, okay? So that's what we're starting with today, and then we're going to get into color theory. Tomorrow is the short day, so what I would like you to do is watch a little intro video to the classwork assignment, which is usually due on Tuesday, but because of the way this week is laying out and next week being the end of the quarter, like I said, um, the classwork assignment is going to be due on Thursday. So tomorrow you'll watch a little video introduction to that. It'll be shorter because there's the classwork is only two options and a little bit easier than the in-depth sort of discussion of all involved and surrounding the artworks. So I'll send that to you an email, and it'll also be in the slides here on the website, okay? Thursday, we'll have a live lesson looking at the artworks for the week, and also some demos, same thing on Friday. So this week is definitely all about our last week of color and lessons surrounding that. Next week is going to be kind of wrapping that up and then also wrapping up second quarter work. So some people are pretty close to caught up, you know, like Mary Carol and Zachary, you guys have been doing a good job keeping up for the most part. Like you maybe just have a few things here and there. Other people are going to have a lot of work to do to catch up on second quarter work. So we're going to kind of like overlap and sort of dovetail those things. So you can see here that pretty much every day is going to be a work day, in that I'm not going to be introducing anything new. But during class, I can help anybody with one-on-one stuff that they maybe was from before that you need some help with, like earlier in the quarter, or demonstrating anything that is relevant or helpful, spending class time working on that. So everybody should be, you know, reporting to class to see, because even as you hand stuff in, I might need some clarification or some things to do like differently or what have you. So Friday is the day that all second quarter work would be due. That's the end of the quarter. So if you have stuff, you're going to want to make sure that you're attending to it by then. I'm thinking that over the next couple days, which gives you more than a week, I'll be sending out sort of emails to parent guardians and yourself, giving you like your current average, which is not going to be that nice rounded up 60 buffer for the quarter. It'll be a lot more accurate, which could be something, you know, like 13, 22, some people are pulling. So you're going to want to make sure that you contact me with some effort, some questions if you have them, so that you want to avoid that kind of email going home. Okay. So that's where we are as far as the calendar goes, because the quarter is ending, and a little bit of a shift as to when things are kind of our progress through the week with the last week of new instruction for this quarter. Does anybody have any questions on that?